What is up, guys? Today I'm at McGregor Park, which is located in Scarborough. That is right. I will be taking a tour of this park. And as you can see, I am walking into the park right now. This park includes some public art, which is one of the features that I really like about this park. Depending on the type of park you go to though, there are different types of artwork which reflects the different surrounding communities around the park. That is right. Let's take a look at the artwork right over here. Oh, I do think that this artwork is pretty cool so far. It's a really nice design. So when you go to different parks and you see different types of artwork, sometimes the artwork does reflect the community that is around the park. There is also more artwork over here as well. And it is cool to see that this artwork is integrated with the small basketball court. That is right. This park includes a playground, and there is also a gazebo which provides shade. It also includes seats and tables for picnicking. That is right. And as I continue walking towards this way, there are also more basketball courts. Not too far from the playground and the gazebo, there is also a splash pad. This is a great area to cool off when it comes to a very hot and humid day. These are the features of the splash pad. And there is a button right over there to turn on the water. Oh, there are actually two buttons. I am now going to continue walking down this path. This park includes some courts for pickleball and tennis. As you could see that there are two smaller courts which is for pickleball, and there are two larger courts which is used for tennis right over here. Very cool, right? For those that want to come to enjoy some pickleball or tennis, this park has the amenities to do so. This park does include two pickleball courts right over there. I am now going to walk past the tennis and pickleball court to see what is further down in this park. I don't find this to be a very big park, but I would like to explore it and see what else does this park include. Right over here, there is a small baseball diamond and some seating area. These are benches where people can also sit to watch the game. So now, I'm going to continue walking this way. I am going to walk along where these trees are. These trees are also right next to the tennis and pickleball field, as you can see over there. From here, I am going to make a left turn. I am still walking right beside the tennis and pickleball court, but on the other side. I guess this just leads back to the park, where the gazebo and playground is. I am going to continue walking this way. So that means overall, this is actually a small park. It is not a very big park, as you can see. This will be the end of the park tour. Thank you guys for watching.